Ladies and gentlemen, we gathered here again today to watch the best videos of the trading industry together, so you don't have to do it all by yourself. My name is Juliuz and that is all I do. So let's get right into it. Today, again, TJR trading, living his best life. Slowly but steady, this is becoming the official TJR reaction channel. But I bet it's gonna be entertaining as always. I'm in a very good mood today. Hopefully you are as well. If you want to support me, just leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That's all you need to do. It's like 5 seconds of work and that helps me a lot. Thank you so much. We get right into it. Let's immediately start. Here we go with TJR.
Let's go outside and trade. Trade in the freaking jungle.
It's a 50-minute video, so probably I won't react to everything there is, but skip a little through and we're gonna watch the best parts and of course the live trading that's included here.
Bro, look at this view. Look at this view that we have. I can just be lounging while seeing my
Okay, it seems like South America.
Trade go up $70,000.
$70,000 trade, alright.
Bro, imagine this view, St. Barth's, Chrome Hearts Hall, AP ceramic on your wrist, and you're just seeing your shit smack TP. What is life, bro? What is
This is life, guys.
life?
Okay. The French flag, alright. I don't know where he is actually. But this is a private flight.
Yo, Banks, I'm in a trade right now. Yeah, guess how much I'm up? You think I'm that broke? Good morning, guys. Welcome to another vlog. So I need to update you guys and just get straight to the point. I made $1.7 million. And if you include the money from the day prior, I made $2 million in 2 days.
How? How?
And you're probably saying, TJR, what trade did you take?
Yes, I'm saying that.
Buddy, that shit wasn't a trade. That shit is called shuffle.
What's shuffle?
Smacked for a $1.6 million slot spin
What?
last night. I'm honestly still out of it because I haven't even been able to process that I just have 1.7 mil sitting there for me to just use and abuse. It's hard.
Wait, hold on. Did he say a slot spin? Are we talking about gambling? Or am I completely wrong here? Let's go back. Do not want to
For me to process.
talk about false stuff here.
Called shuffle. I smacked for a $1.6 million slot spin last night. I'm honestly
It's a slot spin. Alright.
still out of it because I haven't even been able to process that I just have 1.7 mil sitting there for me to just use and abuse. It's hard for me to process. It's hard for me to process, point blank period. But that's what's new with me. How have you guys been? I've been great. Tim is still here in Puerto Rico, so say what's up to him.
In Puerto Rico, alright, but I didn't get it right. Guys, write down in the comments below what he's talking about. Is he talking about gambling? Like $1.6 million gambling win? I'm not too sure here. Do not want to be mistaken.
In a minute, but honestly, bro, today I'm just trying to have a chill ass day.
So we just forget about that and concentrate on the trading stuff. Maybe this was just something completely different, but slot spin, I think that's gambling.
Fortunately, I lost my fucking trade today. I said I wasn't going to trade after hitting fucking crazy on shuffle, but then I was like, oh no, my setup presented itself, and then my TP got edged, so I lost $70,000. But
okay, but if his setup occurred and he's taking it, followed the rules, then sometimes you're gonna lose, okay?
if you do the math, it's like, okay, did I lose 70K? Or instead, over the past 2 days, did I just make $1,930,000 instead of 2 million? You know, no, I didn't make 2 million. I only made $1,930,000.
Well,
Which means I'm green as fuck for the past 2 days. See, everyone says, TJR, what am I supposed to do on the weekends? Should I backtest? Should I trade? Bro, gamble everything away. I didn't trade, obviously, on the weekends, because weekends...
just, guys, you heard his recommendation, okay? This is what real traders do. They just gamble the shit when the market is closed. We can't get over our addiction, okay? If the market is closed, we just spin some slots. No, just kidding. Okay, this is all right. Not gonna comment on that. Don't gamble, guys. And trading is not gambling if you follow a specific set of rules, because in gambling, okay, let's take poker aside, you probably won't have the ability to follow a specific set of rules every time that gives you an edge over the bank, over the casino. Okay, that is the big difference.
How the fuck are you supposed to be trading? But bro, the 2 days that I gambled on the weekend, I end up making freaking $2 million, bro. I'm set for life. What do I even do? That was another problem.
Okay, I just want to check real quick if there is some advertisement for gambling stuff in the description. But doesn't seem like it. That would be too much, guys. I mean, talking about gambling in a good sense is actually bad enough, but at least no advertisement.
I was calling all of my friends yesterday and I was just asking them like, yo, what do I do with this money? Genuinely, what do I do with this money? I
Put it in your trading bank account and risk a little more on your next trades?
truly do not know. So I'm just in like this weird
At least that's what I would do.
predicament where it's like, prior to all of this, when I would hit for like a big win, the first time that I hit for a big win, I honestly just stashed that shit. Oh wait, no, the first time that I hit for a big win, I fucking paid for this crib, okay? And then the second time I hit for a big win, I bought a bunch of watches for myself. And
Okay, let's make one thing clear. In gambling, you're gonna lose more money than you're gonna win. Every time. Always, over the long run. You're gonna lose more than you're gonna win. So if he's telling us he's made $1.5 million gambling and he spent it on watches whatsoever, private flights, everything there is, that means over the long run he will lose more than $1.5 million or already lost more than $1.5 million, because that is a rule that is so certain as that the sun is rising tomorrow again, okay? So certain that you're gonna lose more than you're gonna win.
I got Carson a watch as well. Now this is the third time that I've hit for a big win. And it's all three of them have always been like 1.6 or like 1.5 mil. But this time, long story short, this time I don't know what to do. Because prior to, like, I've done the car shit, bro. I had a freaking Koenigsegg. I have all of the craziest watches ever. I don't need that. My house is paid off in cash. Like, what do I do? Genuinely, I'm confused.
Those are first world problems.
As to like what I should be doing with this. Literally like drop a comment down below, because that's the thing. When I make money from gambling, I have a rule. I have to spend it like immediately, or else I'm going to end up like screwing myself over, and I always end up blowing it again on gambling.
All right, okay. So that is the first thing that might make a little sense here. If you fortunately catch a big win while gambling, you should never gamble, by the way, then just cash out and spend it on nice things, because it's gone faster than you can even blink, okay? If you continue gambling with this amount of money.
So that's been my method. It's been the asset method. This is a new method for you guys. If you make a bunch of money gambling, spend it immediately. Spend it literally immediately, because you're going to think the next weekend, oh damn, I'm going to hit for the same amount. Trust me, brother, you're not going to hit for the same amount. You truly 1,000,000% are not going to hit for the same amount. I'll put all my money on it that you're not going to hit for the same amount, but you could. That's why gambling's
Okay,
like,
do not want to see those gambling shit.
If I hit again, I low-key should gamble.
But I think it's also a little rage bait, okay? So I know TJR is a great advertiser. He knows what he's doing. So like having a 5-minute glorified gambling talk will probably make people talk about it like I am now, and that is free advertisement for him and in the end for his courses that he's selling, okay? So this is just some good advertisement and rage bait, as the kids call it now.
Again. Nah, I can't.
Okay,
Parts.
so we're in Puerto Rico. Looks great.
Banks is out here with a couple friends, and it was literally just like super last minute. Hit me and was like, oh, you guys should come. So I was like, fuck it, let's go. Because it's like literally just a 45-50 minute flight from Puerto Rico. So we just flew over here. We got to the crib. We're about to go link up with him. And then honestly, bro, this is like super last minute trip. There's like really no goal here. The goal is literally just like show up, probably shop a little bit. I know they have like a whole bunch of stores here, and then just like chill on the beach and just get a little change of scenery. So I'll show you guys what the house is hitting for real quick. Honestly, I really like this vibe compared to Puerto Rico, because it's like, I don't know, this, even though Puerto Rico is an island, it's like this is a different type of island vibe than Puerto Rico, you know? So this is what we're looking like right when we walk in.
Looks really, really good.
It's like, I like how open it is.
This is what money can buy, guys.
You pretty much walk in and you're already in the backyard. It's got a nice...
all of those nice possibilities that we could buy for the money we hopefully make trading in the future. Just stick to your rules, guys. The fastest way you're gonna reach this is by sticking to your rules and accepting the losses that your rules produce. If you are now throwing every rule there is over the board and just try to gamble in the stock market, gamble in the futures market, trying to make as much as possible in the smallest amount of time because you want to buy all of those nice things as soon as possible, then this is certain for failure, okay? Just because we are watching traders make big money in a very short amount of time, it doesn't mean that we are supposed to grab our rules, okay? Just stick to your plan and this will be the fastest way you're gonna pay for all of this stuff.
Little pool area over here. We've got kitchen and everything. Over here, hot tub. Nice little infinity pool.
Looks really nice.
Little chill area right here. This shit's cool. Oh shit, there's an upstairs too. Damn, look at this. This is a little vibe. This is a little vibe. I can't lie, this is mad cool.
Of course, such a house in such an environment is of course only really enjoyable if you share it with good people, with good friends. If you're here all by yourself, this means like literally nothing. But I think he told us that he met some friends there, so I think that is the best thing he could possibly do.
Yeah, this is fire,
okay, let's
boys.
skip a little bit.
Oh, this is pretty cool though, I'm not gonna lie. I'm fucking with Bart so far. I'm fucking with this place, it's pretty cool. But we just pulled up to this little cafe, little vibe spot, and then we're gonna hit Chrome right after this. I've never been to the Chrome store in Bart's. Should be super cool. We'll say what's up to.
Now there's some shopping, enjoying everything. Great.
Try and go to bed early tonight because we had like a long travel day today. Had to wake up early and everything, and I got some work that I need to do early in the morning. I need to get on some calls. So yeah, honestly, just gonna stay in tonight and chill out. We're gonna watch like some Love Island or some shit. And then what else was I gonna tell you guys? Dropped a fucking stupid bag at Chrome, bro. Spent like literally 300,000.
Guys, those amounts of money.
And I don't have any of the stuff with me right now. Christian threw me a freaking lob and gave me some Chrome undies for free ski, which is cool. Shout out to the bro. So
I actually do not even know this brand. Am I too old? am I not cool enough?
That's pretty much all that I have. I'll do like a full proper Chrome haul. I'll do a proper Chrome haul.
I just know the browser.
Tomorrow when we go to the store and the wire hits so that we can go pick everything up. But yeah, man, today was chill, bro. We just went to the beach. I took calls on the beach, hit Chrome. We were in there just trying on fucking everything for like 3 hours and just dropped a absolute baggage claim over there.
All right.
Now,
now on the next morning, we're gonna see some trading. This is what I want to see.
We can do whatever the fuck we want. I'm waiting for my bank to approve the wire to Chrome, so I need to pick up all that. And then there's a Rolex dealer here that I'm going to go to, not today, but tomorrow, to see if they have this one Daytona that like I really want. And we'll see if they show any love. We'll see. I hope they do. Okay, guys, I said I wasn't going to trade today, but literally.
Okay, now this is the best part. Still, we are watching trading content here. We want to react to trading content. So let's analyze that. Which time frame is that? First of all, 10:30. Looks like a 1 minute to me.
Literal perfect setup just presented itself. So I entered into longs. I'm currently sitting up $38,000.
So he went for a long breakout right here. Okay, let me open my great tool here. So in the last few days, weeks, the market presented incredible opportunities to hold on to your positions longer. Okay, usually in my set of rules, I took profits relatively quick, but the last few weeks, the trades just went on and on and on, and you could just hold to a winning position and even add to a winning position possibly for minutes, even hours. Okay, so this is a clear structure point. We had this one and then the big one, the tops. We were in a short trend first, but then the market retested it, made a higher low and was going to break out. So the breakout trade was just completely valid. Now the question will be if we also take out those highs or not, but holding the position until this point is completely the right thing to do. Then you have to be a little careful here. Market could come back down, you get stopped out for nothing. So taking profit here would be totally valid. If you are really aggressive, the market in the last few weeks probably gives you the opportunity to hold on to a little longer breakout. So try to hold on to that, but there is a chance that you're gonna see a little retracement first. Let's see what TJR is doing. If he is closing the position now with already $45,000. Again, this is just trading view stuff. We do not know how big his position size is really at his actual broker, but this would be definitely a nice profit already. But keep in mind, his stop loss was way bigger. This was at least $100,000 stop loss. So $41,000 in relation to that is not that good anymore.
So going to see how this plays out.
Okay, probably gonna hold. He's gonna hold on to that.
I need to mark out all the highs, but I want
There again, higher highs here on the previous day.
these London session highs right here, and then we have some other highs like these Asia
We can't see a lot of it.
session highs. All of these just low resistance, high time frame draws on liquidity. So I'm going to manage these at these highs, like literally right now. Let me just put these on the chart real quick, and then I'll talk to you guys in a second once I can actually put the draws on. But we have 3 high time frame draws on liquidity to the upside, and they need to be taken out. They need to, in at least
Again, TJR is trading smart money concepts, liquidity grabs, etc.
in my mind. I'm in with
Okay, he did not increase the position size, but held on to the trade. And as you can see, the market just spiked through that. So he did everything right. And now he's ready to take some profits up there.
50 contracts right now. So I set a 30 contract take profit at the top of the Asia session high. I'm putting it there because I do think that we should be able to take out all of the draws on liquidity. And then I need to set another take profit at that high right there. And then another take profit at the high all the way up there. Hopefully we don't take out London session high and then just freaking reverse on my head top. That would piss.
Could definitely happen, guys. Could definitely happen. At some point, the market is finding some resistance and at least make a little retracement to then go higher, okay? You have to decide if you want to sit through that retracement in the hopes that the market will make new highs at the end, or if you're just grabbing your profit here, you're out and maybe searching for re-entries at lower prices, or just get the hell out.
It's me off. That would be really annoying if we did that. I would actually
that 1 minute candle, look that at least a little retracement is coming.
be devastated. I would genuinely be devastated because my first take profit was going to be London session high, but I was like, no, we're going to take out all 3 of them. If we don't, I will be devastated. Time will tell. Time will tell. This could literally make me back all the money that I spent on Chrome. Actually, no, it won't. I spent like 300K on Chrome. This could make me like half or a third back of what I spent.
Just a third of what he spent the previous day.
Spent at Chrome. This could be like $100,000 day if this shit hits. But let's see, London session high, that got taken out. Yeah, man, these highs look good. These highs look good. I'm confident.
At the end, if you can allow it and your strategy allows you to do it, holding onto your position. What is that picture here? Guys, I think maybe this is gonna be thumbnail. Just save that for later. Okay. What was I talking about? Okay, so if your strategy allows you to do it in those volatile times, I think it's the right thing to also hold on to your position, okay?
I think. I'm confident. I hope, I pray I'm confident. But I'll keep you guys updated. I'm going to go outside because I'm like freezing in this room right now and I want to drink some electrolytes and like just get sun on my body. So let's go outside and trade. Trade in the freaking jungle, bro. Look at this view. Look at this view that we have. I can just be lounging while seeing my trade go up.
Okay, yeah, we got a little retracement here in a second 1 minute candle. But now the market is finding strength again. So this looks pretty good. And the chances are big that we're gonna take out the highs.
Up $70,000, bro.
And he's just making $100,000 trading in the jungle. I think that is the best life we could possibly imagine, isn't it?
Bro, imagine this view, St. Bart's, Chrome Hearts Hall, AP ceramic on your wrist, and you're just seeing your shit smack TP. What is life, bro? What is life? Okay, guys, we made a pretty...
Okay, so this was the 1 minute candle that we saw previously, and before it could close up here, sellers came back in and pushed it down, and now we made kind of a strong retracement, which I was talking about earlier. Retesting this previous resistance now became support level. We have to agree all of his unrealized profit was eventually wiped out at this point. So from $80,000 in profit to nothing. And our market is building up strength. And now, of course, the chances are good that we're going to see higher prices. And this is what I was talking about, okay? Do you have the guts to sit through a retracement? He could have cashed in some profits here. And then, as I told you previously, waited for lower prices to search for re-entries, okay? Maybe could have entered again long after, for example, okay, this 1 minute candle took out the highs of the previous short candle. So this would be a opportunity to get back in, and he could have already grabbed, I don't know, let's say he waited for this one, bought $60,000 and then went back in lower. Okay, this would have been a possibility. But now he just sit through that, and I think that was also a right thing to do.
Pretty deep retrace, but looks like
this looks like now really good.
Like we're going to inverse this gap to the upside potentially on this candle, and if we're able to do that, then I do think that we get a run up to these highs to be able to hit TP1, and then honestly it would be nice if we could get TP2 as well. So let's see if we get it. But again, boys, this is what trading's about, bro. Trading with this view, like what?
Look how strong the market is. It's just pushing. Those highs will get taken out.
You serious? We're up $72,000 in profit, and this is what we get to see right now. We got iced out buckle chrome shorts. What are we doing? What are we
I'm actually rooting for this position.
doing? St. Bars. I should just shut the fuck up until I hit take profit, or else this will be really embarrassing. So let's hope this bangs. Okay, so first.
Yeah, and this is what I was talking about. Okay, now it's just spiked through that. TJR took some profit. That
TP just got hit. Absolutely electric. Let me farm this TikTok edit real quick. Edit has been farmed. The edit has been farmed. Oh, it looks like we're going for TP2 here. I don't know how much I've secured in profit yet. I need to move my stop loss to break even, so give me a second. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, it looks like we're going for TP2. We'll see if it gets hit. I honestly, nah, I'll let it run, bro. I'll let it run. Fuck it. I kind of want to secure more, though. I can't hold you.
This is now the decision he has to make, okay? Is there a possibility to just close the whole position?
I might secure more. Let me add this so that the runner isn't as much. I don't want the runner to be another 10 contracts. I only want it to be another 5, so I'm going to add another limit here. So if that gets taken out, then we'll be all good. ES took out these highs as well. We're looking great here, guys.
At least we're going to see some decent trading, even if it's just on his mobile phone. I would never do that, because I need a little bit more market insight than just a 1 minute chart in the NQ, but if it works, it works.
Yes, we're looking.
And maybe the simpler approach is the better one.
Great. Let's see. We got one more take profit to, we need this to get hit.
Okay, yeah, there are some sellers here, but for now they are not able to really push the market lower. Okay, buyers holding against it. We made a new high on this candle. If this can now close strong, then we are good to go to the take profit.
Right now, I think we're up like $60,000 secured.
All right. Okay, now this is the first selling pressure here, but keep in mind we still have some support level here. Half a minute into the candle, sellers are pretty aggressive. I could imagine that this is closing as some kind of a doji.
Profit, and then we're floating like 34K. So if those highs get taken out, then this will probably be a $100,000 day. If they don't get taken out, then whatever, we're just stuck with a 60K day. But regardless, overall W trading day, can't complain about it. You can't complain about it. So let's see what we do here if we want to.
Okay, yeah, the sellers are too strong. Buyers are not able to push higher.
Reverse up this draw on the.
Now I would get a little suspicious if the buyers are really able to push higher.
Liquidity, or if we want
at least in the next couple of minutes
to go higher and take out that last draw to the upside.
Yeah, that was a pretty decent.
Keep you guys updated. Okay, guys. So we.
Yeah, and after this bearish close, I told you. Now I would get a little suspicious, and the market just sold off. Yeah, that happens, guys.
Out these highs. At least we were able to hit some take profit, but it's looking like we are going to get stopped out at break even for the rest of this position. Regardless, can't complain. Made just over $60,000 today. Unless price reverses right now, then I think the trading day is going to be done for me. I didn't think that I was going to trade, but opportunity presented itself. I took it, and yeah, let's see. It looks like we're almost about to get stopped out. Okay, boom. Rest of the position got stopped out at break even. That gives me a total of $63,497.
Just making $60,000 in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the jungle. Could be worse.
In profit for the day, and that wraps up my trading day. So 63K on the day, honestly not bad. Well, I wasn't planning on trading while I'm just out here straight chilling, just straight vibing. So now we're gonna head into town, get some breakfast, hopefully hit the beach, and then yeah, to be honest, I think today's just going to be a bit of a chill day. I'll hit up the boys, I'll hit up Banks and Christian, see what they're on, and see what we're gonna get in.
Okay, I think that was the whole trading stuff in this video. He's just having a nice trip on the boat here.
Yeah,
look at that.
Fun.
Nice food.
Richard Mill, holy spawning.
A little bit of flexing, that's what it takes, guys. Nice blue water.
Holy fucking smokes. Sea turtle just straight chin.
Turtle is also there. And then we get a little haul.
What is this? Iced out cemetery?
Which I'm not that interested about.
Oh, these are gold hard.
Not the fashion type of guy too much, at least. And we're gonna see some markets again here at the end of the video. This is what I want to check out. Okay, let's skip to this point.
Posted up yesterday. It's fire. Mission completed, guys. We made it to the beach. That was honestly super cool hike. Super easy too. Okay, guys, I'm in
Okay, what are we seeing here again? Probably again a 1 minute chart. And he sold 60 contracts in the NQ. Let's analyze that. We got... So first of all, what we can immediately identify is that he's trading against the overall trend, because this was like the big trending move. Made a little higher low, higher high, and then took out the lows. So we are currently in a break of structure, made a lower high, and he's now at least speculating a liquidity grab underneath those lows here. So could in theory work, despite being a little, I'd say, risky, because we are still in a long trend. Overall, in the 1 minute chart, everything can happen, but for sure, maybe worth a try. Okay, stop loss here above those highs. So in case the market is making higher highs, he's getting stopped out because the idea is no longer valid. He's now speculating on a new lower low.
Shorts right now. I have take profits set at these lows, and look at where we're at. Very, very pretty. So trading with a view today. We're in shorts. Let's see if this hits. I'm risking like 90,000 bucks on this. So if this hits TP1, I'll probably be able to make like 45K, and then whatever, I'll set more take profits and just move my stop to break even. But I completely forgot that the markets were open while we were on the hike, but I saw this setup, so just said, fuck it, let me take the trade. So we'll see if this shit hits. All right, guys, we're up like 40K.
This was his previous entry here, wasn't it? So this is a new lower high. A little bit like a head and shoulders pattern in the small 1 minute time frame. This looks pretty good, that at least the lows here gonna be taken out. If his limit order is reached, that's a completely new discussion.
Okay, right now. So I'm honestly thinking if we can take these lows out, then should be able to make some money. Because if we can take these lows out, then I would assume that we're going to go down and take that low out, which would be best case scenario. So yeah, we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Okay, guys, we're moving to the downside pretty quickly now. We're at around...
That looks good, and that would be the point where I would think about taking a profit here. Lows have been taken out. I don't know if those lows will be taken out again. For sure, this point where you can cash in some certain money now. But again, in these volatile times, it's not a bad thing to hold a little longer to your open and winning position.
And 80K in profit, so just want to see these lows get taken out. I'm kind of scared that we're only going to take out these lows and not go to my take profit, but fuck it, man. I already placed the trade and TPs are set, so we'll just have to see if this hits. Hopefully it does. I think we should. Because we have this big gap down here, so.
Okay.
I think we're looking solid. Yo, Banks, I'm in a trade right now.
Are you?
Yeah, guess how much I'm up?
12 racks.
You think I'm that broke? I'm up 83K right now.
Really?
Yeah, bro.
Guys, that is a great laugh, isn't it? And wow, what a great frame this is.
Just today?
I'm literally in the trade right now. I'm just shorting NASDAQ. I mean, the shit's fluctuating pretty quickly, but yeah, hopefully the shit hits my take profit. I'll either make like 100,000 or lose 100,000 today. No in between. We'll see if this shit smacks.
Okay, I would now for certain move stop loss to break even. Or at least a little lower. So losing $100,000 on this position, for sure, guys, this wouldn't be worth it. If the market is now coming back up, it's like a completely random outcome if you're gonna go higher or lower again. Okay, now this move has to go all the way to his limit order now. Maybe a little retracement, but not too big. After his entry point here upwards, it's just bad territory. He should move the stop loss to break even.
All right, boys, we're going down to TP.
I can't see shit.
I'm up 100.
Okay, here we are. Yeah, and that was the movement, okay? What I was talking about. And now I would just get out of the whole position.
13,000. Okay, so TP1 just got hit. Let me
Nah, I just love good trading. This is what gives me a rush.
farm this TikTok really quick and I'll circle back with you guys. Okay, guys, so I'm up $60,000 in close profit. We have around $37,000 in floating profit.
Yeah, and at least now the market is making a little retracement upwards. And since we are in an overall uptrend, I would just get out of the position, guys. Of course, this minor short trend could continue, but overall we are going up. It's dangerous. But his stop loss at break even, I guess, for the rest of the position, so not too bad. He cashed in some money.
If the rest of this position gets stopped out at break even, honestly, that was kind of the main area that I wanted us to go to. But I do think that we could potentially dump all the way down to these lows here. So
not every day you're gonna see a big push and then a complete dump of everything that was pushed previously. That's not the case every day, okay? On usual days, the market is just going into one direction more or less for the whole day. In this case, would be long, okay? So very, very, very dangerous.
We're actually waking up pretty high, so I might get stopped out at break even, but it is what it is, bro. That's another $60,000 day while on vacation, so you can't really complain about that. Yeah, it looks like the rest just got stopped out at break even, so let me look at the total P&O. That's a total of, yep, 60K made on the day. So simple. On this trip, we've made 115K on 2 trading days, so
A little above $100,000 in the middle of the jungle. This is a great life.
can't really complain about that. 2 days, made 100K, paid for the entire trip pretty much, and some. So yeah, I'm gonna get off the charts and then we're gonna go grab some lunch. Solid trading day. All right, guys, we finished up.
Okay, guys, I think that should be it. That was all of the trading in this video. We saw some of his great lifestyle. I'm gonna leave a like since I enjoyed watching it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Also, make sure to leave a like on this one. Thank you for your support. We're gonna see us next time. Hopefully you enjoyed my reaction to TJR. Those vlogs are just highly entertaining, and at least we're gonna see some trading. This is all that matters to me. Thank you guys. See us next time. Take care of yourself and good luck with trading this week. Bye bye.